Welcome to online classes. I am here in the third recording against the story The Tiger in the Tunnel. I will explain from page number 19. Before explanation, the remaining part of this page, I will refer few sentences so that it will be easy for you to understand the continuation. Baldev stood with his back to the signal post, motionless, staring at the great brute moving rapidly towards him. The tiger, used to the ways of men, for it had been preying on them for years, came on fearlessly and with a quick run and a snarl struck out with his right paw, expecting to bowl over the puny man who dared stand in the way. Now I'll start explanation in the third recording. Baldev, however, was ready. With a marvelously agile leap, he avoided the paw and brought his axe down on the animal's shoulder. The tiger was approaching towards Baldev. Baldev, however, was ready to fight with the tiger with his axe. He avoided the paws of the tiger. He marvelously gripped his axe and made it down on the tiger's shoulder. Explanation 2. Baldev observed that the tiger trotting steadily towards him. He was ready to attack the tiger with his axe. Avoiding its paws, he quickly grabbed his axe and made it down easily on its shoulder. Explanation 3. Baldev watched that the tiger was moving rapidly towards him. He was ready for the attack. He captured his axe and desperately he forwarded the axe on the tiger's shoulder. Next from book. The tiger gave a roar and attempted to close in. Again Baldev drove him axe, which caught the tiger on the shoulder, almost shivering the leg. When Baldev made the axe down on the tiger's shoulder, the tiger roared and tried to close in. Then again Baldev operated his axe, which caught the tiger on its shoulder and almost cut its leg. When Baldev, explanation 2, when Baldev punched on the tiger's shoulder with his axe, the tiger started roaring. The tiger was trying to close near Baldev. Again Baldev drove his axe, which was down to tiger's shoulder and almost cut its leg. Explanation 3. When Baldev struck on the shoulder of the tiger by his axe, the tiger was yelling loudly. The tiger was trying to close in. Again Baldev operated his axe, which was down on the shoulder of the tiger, finally cuts his leg. Next from the book. To make matters worse, the axe remained stuck into the bone and Baldev was left without a weapon. Explanation 1. The axe remained fastened in the bone of the tiger, so the matter made worse and Baldev left without a sword, knife or any weapon, anything. Explanation 2. The axe remained in the bone of the tiger. Baldev tried to take it out, but he left without any instrument for defense. Explanation 3. The eggs remained inserted in the bone of the tiger. Baldev left without any ammunition, knife, sharp, any sword or anything. Next from the book. The tiger, roaring with pain, now sprang upon Baldev, bringing him down and then tearing at his broken body. Explanation 1. The tiger was rumbling with pain. Now the tiger jumped upon Baldev, bringing Baldev down and then cracking at his broken body. Explanation 2. The tiger was crying loudly and it was feeling pain due to striking by X. Then the tiger bounced upon the Baldev, bringing Baldev down and shearing at his damaged body. Explanation 3. The tiger was resounded in pain. Now the tiger skipped upon Baldev, bringing Baldev down and tearing at his damaged body. It is the explanation in the third recording. I will come in the next to give you the homework.